Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Shay'Elaine and welcome back to my channel. Hey everybody, what's up? If this is your first time here, welcome. Yeah, and if you're returning, hey y'all. Welcome to my channel. I love you guys for joining me today. This is gonna be a super quick how to do your eyebrows for a beginner phase. It's super simple, super quick. I'm gonna list everything that I use for my eyebrows in the description, so make sure to check that out. If you want to see a video on this full look, there will be a video for this as well up on my channel, so don't worry, I didn't just hold out and stop at the eyebrows. It's just going to be in a separate video because it was mad long. That's it. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys super quick, super simple how to do these brows, slay these joints so you're not getting boxes. Yeah, let's get on into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is get these brows in the position in which you want them to be. My brows are pretty much like bomb, so they go really easily to the position in which I want them to. And y'all, I know my wig ain't on all the way right. I don't want to hear in the comments that my wig ain't on. I know this. I can see it just like you can. Okay, I'll put it on later. I did put it on later actually. So anyway, so I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmetics Dip Brow in the color Ebony, and I am basically just taking that and filling in my eyebrows in the shape that I wanted. I don't try to do any extra work. I don't got time for all that. So yes, I try to get my lines as darn near next to perfect. Usually what I would do, I don't know why I didn't do that for this video, but I would take like a pencil first and outline it and then use this dip brow to fill it in. But I think I was just in a hurry. Dang, I really need to sew that wig down. Jesus. But yeah, who cares? Yeah, so I would just take this and I'm just gonna fill it in. I like my eyebrows nice and dark. If you want to use, you know, a little bit of a lighter application of this, that's fine. Just take your ring finger or your middle finger and just press on it and it'll lighten up a little bit. So quick little hack for you. So I'm just taking this dip brow and I am gonna brush it with the spoolie on the end. I got these brushes, by the way, from Morphe. I'll link them in the description box for you guys if I can find them. So now I'm just gonna do the other brow the same exact way. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a puff. Open up, tear you out for puff. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a puff. Open up, tear you out for puff. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. So now that I have gotten all of my brows filled in and I've used the spoolie to blend it, you know, in, yeah. Some people don't blend theirs in first. They kind of like just, you know, outline their brows with their concealer first, but I don't like that. So this is how I do it. Y'all do it how whatever works for you guys, but this works for me. So y'all know my trusty handy dandy BH Cosmetics full coverage concealer in the color 117 is what I am going to use along with my concealing brush out of my Morphe conceal brush packet. It'll be in the description for you, sis. Okay, pumpkin. So yeah, I'm taking that now and I'm just gonna outline this. Like, my hands are pretty steady. It, you know, takes a minute, you know, to get the hang of it, but if you've gotten the hang of it, you know, you just take the flat end of your concealer brush. Make sure you get enough product on there, but not too much. Make sure your brush is wet and flat and just kind of go in like an artist and just start painting this thing on and just, it's super easy. It's really beginner friendly and this concealer is really spreadable, so as long as you get it on there, you know, quickly, you're good.
First impression, you OPN. We should be close.
So guys, this is important. You want your eyebrows to be as even as possible. They need to be like sisters, you know, not distant cousins. So I use, once I figure out where I want my, you know, the shape of it and how thick or thin I want it to be, I use the other eyebrow to make sure I'm getting a perfect line, like straight across. Y'all see that? That way I'm not having like one eyebrow higher or lower than the other one. So I'm taking my time to make sure that my eyebrows are symmetrical. They're in the same family, that they're related, you know, and not distant cousins twice removed. It's not cute. So this is what I'm getting, and that's how I kind of, you know, find it easier. And then I'm just taking this down the middle and I'm lining it up with the bridges of my nose on both sides, and that is how I get it perfect. Now I messed it up, but it's okay because I'm gonna work it out to fix it later, bringing that concealer down to prep my lid for when I do my makeup look that y'all saw in the beginning. Take you a nice wet sponge and just, you know, get that together. It could have been a little wetter, but, you know, it was taking a second to drag along. But this is usually where people stop with their brows, and that's how you get this boxy look. And I don't think it looks natural on me like that. You know, if that's what you want to do, fine, but that wasn't the purpose of this video, for y'all to see me do a bunch of boxes on my face. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I blend this out to make it, you know, more natural, give you that kind of ombre, you know, light to dark effect.
Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to rebreathe. I work.
So now, after I've done blended it all out, as you guys can see, I'm going to go in and just kind of crisp up that line. And as you can see, what I'm doing now to get rid of that boxy ass effect. Can I say that? Oh God, help me. But yeah, I'm taking the end of my spoolie and I'm just blending that out. I'm brushing it in an upward position motion pretty quickly just to blend it out. And you see how that line that's in the front disappears? That's what you want, sis. Like, that's what you want to happen. Like, stop drawing eye boxes on your face. Like, I'm sorry. Moment of silence, because this is about to die. These boxy lashes, like these, I can't even think straight. It bothers me so badly. This is what they're supposed to look like. You take the spoolie or your finger and you press it in and you blend it out and you smush it up and you get it together. That way you can get these ombre, you know, eyebrows. And that's what it's going to end up looking like. Now my lines could have been a little cleaner, and I did clean the lines up when I actually go in and do my makeup, which you'll see that video up after I think this video. But I am now, it's all blended out, it's matted into my face, it's perfectly shaped, and you guys can see the final look in my next video, okay? Because no more boxy eyebrows. Like, we're not doing that no more. It's dead. Alright guys, so like I said, thank you guys very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys to see this video. Go ahead and comment down below what you guys think. Stimulate the like button. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I said that already, but you guys get the point. Whatever. If you want to see this full look, subscribe to my channel. That way you guys can know when I post this. I'm not sure if this is going to go up before or after. Not sure. But if you're subscribed and that notification bell is on, sis, you ain't got to worry about it. Because when I do post it, you'll see it. Alright? I love you, love you, love you for joining me today. Bye.
Best.